Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing unboxing, and they changed their bags. They're not in that hot pink bubble mailer anymore. This one's just plain plastic, and it has a little quote on here. It says, "Could give up shopping, but I'm not a quitter." So I think that's really cute. And it had a really easy to tear thing at the top. And it looks like they're still bundled. Or at least one of them was bundled. Ooh, these are fun. Got some leggings, jeggings maybe, leggings. Ooh, royal blue. That is actually really pretty. And instead of being plain, they look like regular pants, and then it has these little folds. That's a nice little pop of detail. They're really stretchy. Those are cool. I don't have anything this color, and I really think that's pretty. Thick band. Yeah, awesome. I'll insert all the full pictures at the end like I normally do. And the way this works is you just keep what you want. So you could try it on, and if anything is not your style or it doesn't fit, you just send it back with the prepaid envelope, and they don't charge you for it. They only charge you for what you keep. This is really pretty too. Get a lot from this brand. Zenana? I don't know. I probably said that wrong, but they have cute clothes. This could pass as a skirt, or you could probably put it with leggings. Really pretty purple color, striped. Sleeves are rolled up a little bit. And a lot of times, yep, this one has it. A lot of times the long dresses have pockets. And I don't notice it normally until I go to take pictures. So a lot of the dresses have that, which I love. So here's the bundle. We got a couple tops, maybe another bottom. And this month, the only piece of jewelry is a necklace. Take a look at that. I think I just made it extra tangly. There we go. So it's just a plain chain. I thought maybe there was something on it, or it was like doubled over, but it's not. It's just a long plain chain, so that would go with anything. Then, ooh, I have so many shorts like this and a couple pair of pants. It is so soft. I cannot explain to you how soft that is. They're just really stretchy, and they're so comfortable to wear around the house or to sleep in. Sometimes they have crazy patterns, but they're so comfortable, I promise you. So I got that. And a very pretty pink top. Active Basics. And yeah, that's just plain pink. That says it's a large, but that looks pretty small. And it just has a little, yeah, pretty color. And the last one. Very pretty. I like the shades. I don't have anything that's like pretty much any of these colors. I wear a lot of darker colors and black and boring stuff, but this is a very pretty color. I don't even know what I would call this, but sleeveless. It's got the little detail here, and then it has the little crisscross. And it's flowy too, so it's not going to be too clingy. Very pretty. This is a good bag. So I've been getting these for a while, so if you would like to see them, I have a playlist going if you want to see other outfits and things I've received. And if you'd like to try it for yourself, I do have a free shipping code that I will put below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.